Hello, and welcome. Thank you for being here. This is a quiet place, a place to slow down, a place to breathe and listen. Today, we will talk about something simple, but very important. We will talk about every day. We will talk about chance. We will talk about how today can help you move forward. You do not need to do anything now. Just listen. Let the words come slowly. This message is for your heart and for your mind. So, take a soft breath. Get comfortable. Let us begin. Every day is a chance, a quiet chance, a gentle chance. When you wake up in the morning, the day is empty. It is waiting for you. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel worried. Sometimes you feel nothing at all. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever thought, I cannot change? Please stop for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel your body. Feel this moment. You are here now. This day is new. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to be perfect. Just listen. Just be calm. Because today is not the same as yesterday. And today is not too late. Every day is a chance to begin again, a chance made just for you. Part 1. What the title means. The title is Every Day is a Chance. These words are simple, but they are important. Every day means each new morning. It means today. It means this moment. A chance means an opportunity. It means a small open door. It means something good can begin. So, every day is a chance means this. Each day gives you a new start. You do not carry yesterday in your hands. Yesterday is already finished. You cannot change it now. Tomorrow is not here yet. You cannot see it. You cannot touch it. But today is real. You can feel it. You can use it. For example, when you wake up late, the day is still a chance. When you make a mistake, the day is still a chance. When you feel sad or tired, the day is still a chance. A chance does not need to be big. It can be very small. A smile is a chance. A kind word is a chance. Trying again is a chance. Every day gives you this gift. A small, quiet gift. That gift is called today. Part 2. Why this message matters. This message matters because life moves fast. Days pass quietly. Sometimes we do not notice them. We often think, I will start tomorrow. I will change later. But later becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. Time is very gentle, but it does not wait. Every day shapes your life. What you do today becomes a habit. A habit becomes part of you. Small actions feel weak, but they are strong. 5 minutes of learning helps. One kind choice helps. Trying once helps. If you miss one day, it is okay. If you feel tired, it is okay. But if you forget today, you lose a chance. This message reminds you to look at today, not yesterday, not tomorrow. Because real change does not start one day. It starts this day, and this day is still open for you. Part 3. Small actions you can take today. Now let us talk about action. Not big action. Small action. You do not need to change your whole life today. That is too heavy. You only need one small step. Small actions are easy. They are gentle. They help you begin. Here are some small actions you can take today. First, pause and breathe. Stop for 10 seconds. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. This helps your mind feel calm. Second, do one simple task. Clean your desk. Wash one cup. Finish one small job. When you finish, your heart feels lighter. Third, learn something small. Read one short sentence. Listen to one English word. Say it out loud. Learning grows step by step. Fourth, choose one kind action. Smile at someone. Send a kind message. Speak gently to yourself. Fifth, write one simple plan. Just one. For today only. You do not need many plans. Do not wait for the right time. This time is right. Do not wait to feel ready. Action helps you feel ready. Start small. Start now. Today is enough. Now slow down. Be still for a moment. Let your body relax. Let your breath be soft. Listen to your heart. Listen to your thoughts. But do not judge them. Ask yourself quietly, what kind of day do I want today? What small action feels right for me now? You do not need a big answer. A simple answer is enough. Maybe you want to rest. Maybe you want to try again. Maybe you want to learn something new. All feelings are okay. There is no wrong choice. This moment is for you. No noise. No rush. Remember, you are allowed to go slowly. You are allowed to start small. Stay here for one more breath. Feel this day. It is still open. Every day is a chance. Not a loud chance. Not a perfect chance. It is a quiet chance. A chance to care. A chance to try. You do not need to rush. You do not need to compare yourself to others. Your path is your own. Your speed is okay. If today feels easy, be thankful. If today feels hard, be kind to yourself. Even one small step matters. Even one soft breath matters. When this day ends, you can say, I tried, and that is enough. Tomorrow will come in its own time. For now, stay here. Hold this calm feeling. Carry it with you. Every day is a chance, and today is still yours. Thank you for listening until the end. Before you go, remember this simple idea. Every day is a chance, not a big chance, a gentle one. You do not need to change everything. You only need one small step. Take this calm feeling with you. Take it into your day. Take it into your life. Be kind to yourself today. Go slowly if you need to. We will meet again. Until then, use today with care, because today is still yours. Thank you. See you next video.